Hey there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies. This is for the song The Foggy Dew that you can find on page 34 of her book. You can find the book for free at my website at ukestuff.info. Elizabeth allows the book to be distributed there for free and there is nothing hidden about it. You just go to Ukulele Music, drop down to the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale, and you download it. There's no catch there. Nothing to enter, no email, nothing like that. You just download the file. Now these works were originally written for low G GCA ukulele, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate it and do the tutorial on. However, they also do work with high G, a lot of them at least, and then they will also work with baritone. If you're playing baritone, you have to ignore the names of the chords, and you also have to ignore the traditional written notation and just focus on the tablature. If, after you play this song, you find out that you like chord melody, I have a number of resources for you. So if you go to ukestuff.info, go to Ukulele Music, you'll find works by me, works by Elizabeth Ragsdale, works by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay and his uke education, and a link to the website of the late ukulele Mike Lynch, although those are paid resources. I also have 3 books of more advanced chord melodies that you can find for sale. They are at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. And I also have a new beginner ukulele book there as well if you know anyone learning ukulele. And if you want to support the work that I do here on YouTube and in the ukulele world, there are really 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my 2 ukulele channels on YouTube, the Uke Stuff channel, the Uke Play-Alongs channel. And third, you can always make a donation by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, or you can make a donation directly here on YouTube. All right, let's begin with the Foggy Dew on low G GCA ukulele. This is my Koaloha Opio Sepele tenor ukulele. Now let's do a walkthrough or a tutorial for the whole song. Elizabeth gives you the chords you need on the top. You've got an A7, a C chord, a D chord, however you want to play it. There are a number of ways to play the D chord. I usually end up playing it with my first finger at the top of the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and my other 2 fingers around it. But people will play it in all sorts of different ways. Just don't use your thumb. A bar chord D7. It's a little surprising in the song and can take you by surprise. A lot of people are used to playing D7 as a 2-finger chord. We call it Hawaiian D7 because it actually doesn't have a D in it. But our ear provides the D most of the time with the song we're singing, so we allow it to go. But a real D7 would typically have a D in it. So what you would do is you take your first finger, put it across all 4 strings right above the metal 2nd fret of your ukulele, right above it. And it doesn't matter really where your finger is as long as you're covering all 4 strings. If it extends off of the fretboard a little bit, that's just fine. You hold your ukulele securely with your strumming hand or arm, and then you pull against the fretboard with that finger. So you're pulling against it like that, that if you let go, you launch the ukulele. That's the main secret, is you're pulling and not pinching. Then you add your thumb for some light support. That'll give you a clear sound. And then you just add your 2nd finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret in that case. And that's your D7 chord as a bar chord. Then we have a G chord. All right, let's walk through the song. Make a G chord at first. A lot of times I don't do that, but it is best practice to make a G chord. Play the 3rd string. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, full G chord. 2nd string twice. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string twice, A7 chord, whole thing, 1st string by itself. Now make the D chord, strings 4 and 3, 2nd string twice, full D chord, 1st string 3rd fret. Sometimes I miss that in a couple of the takes that I just took. Then a G chord, G chord strings 4, 3, and 2. Third string by itself twice. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string by itself 3 times. Full G chord. First string by itself. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string twice. A7 chord. Second string, 3rd fret, twice. D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Third string. Second string open. Second string, 2nd fret. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, twice. Third string, twice. D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. String 2 of the D chord, full D chord. First string, 3rd fret. G chord, full thing. Second string, strings 4 and 3 of the G chord. Repeat the third string. Make a D chord here temporarily, strings 4 and 3. First string open. And while you take your hand off, that's where you want to reset to the bar chord and then play that bar chord D7. Repeat the first string, G chord, and another G chord. Third string twice. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string 3 times. Full G chord, first string. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string twice. A7 chord. Second string, 3rd fret. Then D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string twice. Third string once. Second string open twice. Second string, 2nd fret. Third string, 2nd fret. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And then one of Elizabeth's sort of motifs that she uses in a lot of her arrangements is a little ascending chromatic line here. Second string open, second string, 1st fret, second string, 2nd fret, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's the Foggy Foggy Dew on low G GCEA ukulele. All right, here's the Foggy Foggy Dew on high G GC ukulele. This is my Cocobolo concert ukulele. And here's the Foggy Foggy Dew on Baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies, the Foggy Foggy Dew, again, that you can find for free at ukestuff.info with Elizabeth's permission. I hope you are having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.